conversation time. Clear? So what we are going to do? Conversation. Can anyone tell me what is conversation? Because we have been doing it from a long back, and I have told you what this conversation means. Conversation is that we are going to talk on particular topic and do a revision of it. So today's topic of conversation is animals. So what is the topic of conversation? Animals. Now we have been learning about animals. अभी हम लोगों ने animals के बारे में ही पढ़ा है. So different type of animals that live on farm. The one who lives on water. The one who lives the one who lives in water, on land. Then the one who lives in the jungle. Isn't it? Then after this we have also learnt about different tiny animals. What those tiny animals known as? Insects. Very good. Then we have learnt about birds. Great. So we are going to do a quick revision of all these through questions. How we are going to do that? Questions. So ma'am is going to put in up some questions to you and you have to answer those questions. How we are going to do that? What we are going to do is, ma'am will be putting up the questions and then I will be telling you the answers. First you will also take some interest, put in some answers, and then after that I will be sharing a question. At the end of this video there will be a slide of questions written on it with the answers. So you have to learn them. And after that you will create a small video and share that with me. Clear? So this is a preparation we are doing for our upcoming exams. As you all know, the exams are coming. They are starting from 4th December. Yes, the next Friday. So आज एक Friday है. Now the coming Friday we are going to begin with our today. We are going to begin with the December test. तो उसमें first you have to do your worksheet, written paper आएगा, and after that a videography work will be given to you where some activities will be given for which you have to shoot a video. In those activities there will be some conversation questions. So don't take it lightly. You have to prepare these questions with their answers. Is that clear to everyone? Great. So you all are prepared to begin with the class? So today is 27th November 2020 and the day is Friday. So in conversation, few questions I have written here on board. First we will discuss them. Then some more questions I have which I will be sharing with you. Clear? So don't worry कि मैम ये questions कहाँ से करा रहे हैं, from where we will do the revision. You don't have to worry. You will be shared a slide of these questions written with their answers and from there you can prepare. Understood everyone? Great. So now let's begin with the work. Okay. The first question here is, who is known as the king of jungle? So it is like as we play, have you ever seen a quiz show? Isn't it? तो क्या हो रहा है? मैम आपसे question कर रहे हैं and you have to answer. So it is like a quiz we are doing today. Clear? So ma'am is going to play a quiz. I'll be putting up the questions and you have to answer me. और इस सेशन के बाद मैम आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर विद आंसर कीज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट भी कर देंगे. Clear? Great. So the first question, who is known as the king of jungle? Yes, tell me, anyone. Who is known as the king of jungle? जंगल का राजा कौन होता है? Yes, the king. Come on fast. It's a lion. Very good. So our answer is lion. Great. Now the next, okay, you want me to write the answers also? I'll do that. So the answer for the first question here is lion. Now the next one we have here is, which animal has a long nose? An animal that has a long nose and they keep on moving their nose like this. Yes, which is the animal? You can identify. See, ma'am is also intimating with it. Yes, which animal has a long But here I am talking about animal that loves to live on a tree. उनका हाउस होता है वो. Birds उस पे हाउस बनाती हैं. But जो मैम डिस्कस कर रही है that tree itself is their house. उन्हें कुछ बनाना नहीं पड़ता. Tree ही उनका हाउस होता है. So which animal is that? You want me to tell you? Okay, I give you some hints. And we did a lot of stories also of that animal. And the animal do like. Yes, who's it? Monkey. Very good. I would like to applaud. Monkey. So monkeys. Next is name an animal that can live both. Now listen carefully. Name an animal. You have to tell me the name of one animal that can live both on land and in the water. यानी कि वो animal जो land पे भी रह सकता है और water में भी रह सकता है. अब lion तो water में नहीं रह सकता, isn't it? और fish land पे नहीं रह सकती. So वो कौन सा animal है जो land पे भी रह सकता है और water में भी रह सकता है? Yes, tell me. It's a frog. Very good. One is frog. You can also write, you can also say crocodile. Oh, sorry. So you can say crocodile or you can say turtle. Turtle can live in water and on land also. Tortoise नहीं, turtle होता है वो. Okay? So frog is one, crocodile is one. Understood? Now, name a water animal. अब water animal की बात हो रही है. So just अपने आप को जब मैं बोलती हूँ water animal तो एकदम से world of fishes में चले जाया करो. So name a water animal who loves to play with human being. वो कौन सा water animal है जो human being के साथ play करना पसंद करता है and they don't even harm us क्योंकि उन्हें हमारे साथ खेलना अच्छा लगता है. So can you tell me that? It's a dolphin. Very good. So the name is dolphin. Understood? Dolphin. Now, as I'm not having space here, so I'm going to put you some more questions. Now, can you tell me name of one animal who likes to eat leftover food? अब leftover food क्या होता है? जो खाना बच जाता है, पहले दिन का होता है, फ्रेश नहीं होता है, वो कौन सा एनिमल है जिसको वो वाला खाना खाना अच्छा लगता है? The one which is not fresh. वो leftover होता है या जैसे if something we don't like to eat तो वो हम क्या करते हैं? We don't keep it. We just discard it and we give or offer that food to that animal. वो कौन होता है? Yes? Point point. कुछ hint मिला आपको? It's a pig. Great. So pig is the animal that loves to eat leftover food. Don't worry about these questions. I'll be sharing you the slide of these questions. Is that clear? Now, one more question is, can you tell me name of a insect? Now, I'm talking about insect. ठीक है? Tell me the name of one insect which make their own house using their saliva. उनके saliva से जो thread निकलता है, they use that and make their own houses. So who's that? It's a वो जो webs बनाते हैं, the one who make web. Yes, who's that? It's a spider. Very good. Spider. Spider make their own webs, and how they do that? They keep on moving, and when they move, when they make their own webs, a thread-like sticky substance. Thread की तरह होता है, sticky substance होता है that comes out of their mouth through their saliva. Saliva किसको कहते हैं? जो हमारे mouth में water होता है, ठीक है? उसके साथ वो बाहर आता है and using that thread they create their web. उसको web कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? Spider के house को क्या कहते हैं? Web. And they make their web using that saliva. Understood? Okay. Now, can you tell me about one bird, one such bird who can talk like us, like human beings, जो हमारी तरह बात कर सकते हैं and can talk like us? Yes. Can anyone tell me the name of that bird? Green in It's a parrot. Great. So parrot is the one who likes to eat all these things. Understood? And okay, what is the house of a hen called? Hen lives in. Anyway, both has the same answer. House of the hen is called what? Or where a hen lives. So what we call that particular house? Coop. Yes, we call it a coop. So the house of the hen is called coop. Great. Now, if I ask you one more question, which animal? Now see, at farms, what happen is, जब farm में क्या होता है, when the lot of farming is done, grains आ जाती है, तो उन grains को हम store करके रखते हैं. And what happens? There comes rat, mouse. तो ये क्या करते हैं? उस grain को खराब करते हैं, isn't it? Now, tell me the name of that animal who protect our grain from these rodents. Rodents मतलब जो cat, जो rat हो गया, mouse हो गए, और जो दूसरे इंसेक्ट्स हमारी ग्रेन्स खराब करते हैं उनसे बचाता है. सो विच एनिमल प्रोटेक्ट आवर फूड एंड ग्रेन्स फ्रॉम रॉडेंट्स? इट्स अ कैट. क्योंकि जो बिल्ली होती है वो क्या करती है? चूहों को मार देती है. सो कैट जो है वो रैट को, माउस को, इन सब को मार देती है. एंड इवन जब वो वहां होती है कैट, सो व्हाट हैपन? ऑल दीज डोंट कम देयर. So this is why we prefer keeping a cat on the farm. I told you na, cat is a farm animal, and how it helps us? It helps us in keeping the rodents away. Understood all? Okay. Now moving to the next animal, we are going to talk about the sounds. Clear? The sounds of different animals. Okay, I'll erase as you will be getting all of them. So now can you tell me the name of one animal who makes the sound ba, ba? Who makes the sound, class? Ba, ba. Yes? See, the questions are going on, so you have to answer me fast. It's a sheep. Who makes the sound? Ba, ba. Sheep. Great. Now, I'll be writing the name of some animals here, and you have to tell me what we get from these animals. Clear? So, one is cow. Then we have sheep, we have bee, then we have hen. So now you have to tell me what you get from a cow. What we get from a cow? Can anyone tell me? We get milk from the cow. Great. So I'll write milk here. So cow gives us milk. So what a sheep gives us? Can you tell me what a sheep gives us? Wool. So the sheep gives us wool. And what we get from a bee? Something very sweet which we like to eat a lot in winters, which is good for our health when we take it in winters. So bee gives us honey. Yes, honey. We get honey from bees. So class, after honey that we get from the bee, next comes is a hen. Now can anyone tell me what we get from a hen? We get eggs and chicken. So the hen, first we use eggs from them, and sometimes some of the hens are used to prepare chicken. So chicken is basically a non-veg dish. So we'll write that. So one is we get eggs, and another is again a meat, the flesh part of the hens that many people prefer to eat. Clear? Now after this, some other animals, the products which we are getting from them is like goat. So what a goat is giving us? Goat is giving us milk and meat again. Then we have pig. So pig is again giving us meat and ham. So the ham is the fatty part of the pig that people use in making different dishes. Understood? Now this is all about the animals. Some animals, some farm animals, we are getting products, different things from them. Then some farm animals are helping in farming. Some are helping in taking care of the things. Now can you tell me, there is one farm animal, how it is helping That's a horse. Can you tell me how a horse is helping the people? How we are getting help from them? The horse, they help in carrying loads. So how they do that? Either they carry load on their back, या तो वो अपनी कमर पे अपने बैक पे कैरी करते हैं. You must have seen people riding horses. So carrying people itself is carrying load. तो जहाँ पे वो बैठते हैं, at that place only we put some load. So one is that way, and the another way of carrying load is horse carts. तो what they do, हमें कार्ट होती है, वुडन कार्ट होती है with the wheels in it. उसको हम हॉर्स के साथ अटैच कर देते हैं, उसके साथ हम जोड़ देते हैं, एंड देन हॉर्स दे पुल द कार्ट, वो उसको अपने साथ पुल करके लेके जाते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ द हॉर्स इज हेल्पिंग अस इन कैरिंग लोड. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ कैन यू टेल मी नेम ऑफ वन फार्म एनिमल, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फार्म एनिमल अगेन, दैट लव्स टू लिव इन वाटर. यस, व्हिच फार्म एनिमल लव्स टू लिव इन वाटर? Duck. Yes. And why we keep duck? Because we get eggs from them. Clear? Again we get duck eggs, and we are also getting meat. So these ducks, people eat their flesh also. Understood? Now can you tell me what type of food these ducks eat? In ducks को क्या खाना खाते हैं? What type of food these duck eat? They eat the small fishes that are there in that pond. उस pond में जिसमें वो रहते हैं, उस pond में जो भी small fishes होते हैं, worms होते हैं. worms is जो कीड़े होते हैं छोटे छोटे, वो वहाँ पे घूमते रहते हैं. So those worms, वो सब उनका खाना होते हैं. Clear? Okay. Now can you tell me name of one very big water animal which is very heavy, in weight, and it's very long in size. बहुत बड़ा, the biggest of all. That is a blue whale. Blue color की whale होती है. It's name of a fish, and which is the biggest water animal. Clear? So if I ask you name the biggest water animal, what answer you will give me? Blue whale. Is that clear to all? Great. So all that for today's class, dear. So now what I'll do is, after this video ends, you will be at the end, you will find a small slide which is having lot of questions in it. So you can prepare those questions and learn them properly for your ASL's exam. Clear? Bye for now. Take care.